In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious keto chocolate mousse recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, raspberries, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We're going to start off by mashing the cream cheese. Then we're going to add in the powdered sugar and mix until well combined. Add in the salt and the vanilla extract and mix until well combined. Next, we're going to add in the cocoa powder and mix well. Now we're going to add in the heavy cream and mix until it's completely combined. Once it's combined, we're going to use an electric mixer and whip our mixture until it's nice and fluffy. We're going to evenly distribute this mixture into cups. Now we're going to top our mousse with our raspberries. We're going to place them in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Our keto chocolate mousse is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.